Hello friends, in my recent South India trip, we have stayed in so many luxury resorts and this resort is one of them. This resort is Estuary Sarovar Portico located in Poovar Island. This is a 5-star property. The full vlog of this resort will be uploaded soon on my channel. Please do subscribe my channel. And in this particular video, I am going to show you the room in which we stayed. Please look at the resort first and then the room. This room is equipped with all modern amenities, a luxurious washroom and all the stuffs. And this room is so huge, and I think the camera from which I am shooting this video is not doing the justice. And now I am going to show you the main USP of this room category. The view from the balcony.